Heat some oil in a pan, preferably gingerly oil, and splatter some cumin seeds, and then add some chopped potatoes. Once you added the chopped potatoes, nicely stir fry and cook the potatoes in the oil for about a few minutes. You can see here we are stir frying the potatoes. Just give it a few mix, just stir fry. After stir frying for a few minutes, add the required quantity of salt. Add the required quantity of salt and keep stir frying for a few minutes. You can add some dried curry leaves if you have. You can add them and continue stir frying. We have already added the required quantity of salt. Continue stir frying until the potatoes turn slightly soft. Keep stir frying in low flame, otherwise it might burn in the bottom. And then now you can add about a quarter cup of water and then cover close with lid for few seconds. Now you can see here the potatoes are nicely cooking in the water and the water is nicely boiling. Along with the potatoes, the curry leaves and the salt we have added. Keep the flame in low flame, otherwise it might burn at the bottom, and then continue to cover close and give a. Now once the potatoes turn soft, add about quarter spoon of turmeric powder, quarter spoon of chili powder, and about quarter spoon of store-bought sambar powder. Give it a good mix so that all the spices mix well with the soft potatoes, and make sure to close with lid and cook in between, because while you close with the lid it becomes more soft easily. And make sure to give a good stir in between, otherwise it might burn at the bottom. Now you can see the potato curry is ready to serve. This curry is now ready to serve with Indian dosa, that is the pancake, Indian pancake, and it's called as the masala dosa. So we'll now go and see how to do the dosa part of the masala dosa and serve. Here I have taken 1 cup of store-bought dosa or the Indian pancake powder, and then I mixed it with 1 cup of water and nicely mixing with my hand to prevent any lumps. And then I'm added about half a cup of sour yogurt and then giving it a nice mix until all the lumps are gone. The dosa batter which we made, we have to set aside for about 10 minutes. And after setting aside for 10 minutes, now we take a dosa pan and place it on the stove and nicely heat it up first. You have to heat up the pan nicely, and then we have to pour a spatula of the batter and then give a circular movement like this. Now you can see here one side of the dosa is being cooked until it is becoming brown, and then when you try to remove it from the pan, if it is easily removable, that means the one side is cooked well. And we are going to now remove it and we are going to turn it to the other side. So very nicely we have to cook both the sides until they are roasted brown. And if you need, you can add 1 or 2 drops of oil if you feel it is easy to remove the dosa from the pan. If you add oil, you can add 1 or 2 drops of oil. Otherwise, you can just do it like this, dry. Now you have to turn it to the other side. Now we have turned it and cooking in the other side. While the other side is becoming brown, we can take about a big tablespoon of the masala, the potato curry which we made, and place it nicely and inside the dosa now, and then close it. Now we have placed the masala inside and closed it. Place about 1 spoon of unsalted butter over the masala, and then nicely cooked now, and it's ready to serve hot. Masala dosa ready to serve hot.